In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a new target to VirtualMetric DataStream. There are two ways to add a new target: via the link at the bottom on the homepage in the Fleet Management section, or via the hamburger menu at the upper left corner of the screen. We will use this way. In the screen that opens, you can see which type of targets you can add. Here we see all available targets. For this tutorial, we will use Microsoft Sentinel as an example of a target. So, when I click the Microsoft Sentinel tile, the overview page opens. At the left side, you see all types of targets and how many of them are configured in the system. In the middle, you see a list of all Microsoft Sentinel targets that are configured. The list can be filtered by status. We will now add a new Microsoft Sentinel target. We see 4 tabs at the top. We need to complete all of them. Give it a name. Enter a description. Click Next Step. On the second tab, configure these settings. I can enter my Azure properties. However, I also have the option to authenticate against the assigned managed identity. I will choose that option. As you can see at the bottom of this screen, optionally you can enter the address of the director proxy and the access token. I will now go to the next step. On the third tab, enter the address of the endpoint and choose the additional options. I will enter the endpoint address, but for obvious reasons, I will blur the video for a couple of seconds. On the fourth tab, you can specify whether you want to enabling scheduling or not. With scheduling enabled, you can decide the time the data is sent to the target. You can use a cron expression, for example. Now we're good to go to add the target. The new Sentinel target has been added. That's it for now. I hope you got a clear overview of how to add a new target to VirtualMetric DataStream. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and have a great day.